everyone, Austin.Fennern here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, and today we're going to take a look at one of our brand new 2019 Jayco J-Flight 195 RBs. We'll take a look around the outside. You got your freshwater fill, nice and easy to get to. As you work your way around the side, it is nice that they put these accesses on here for the fridge. You'll probably want to take that off about once a year, blow it out and get all the bugs out of there, so you just have some good access there. Shore power built into the side of the trailer, quick and easy to pull in and put back in. Nice big water heater, lots of room in there, easy to come out here and ignite that. And you get hot water pretty quick too, which is a good thing. The nice thing about the J-Flights is they are lifted up a little bit, so when you come back, it's easy to get to the sewer access. You don't have to reach way underneath there, so that's a nice thing. A lot of people, you know, have to crawl under the ground, so you can just hook up and away you go. All these J-Flights, they put the spare tire right on the back, so it's really convenient for the customer. If you ever get a flat tire, it's super easy to get to change that out and get back on the road. It does have a nice electric awning with some speakers out here, so you can listen to your radio outside, run your awning out, get a little shade on a nice sunny day like today. And then you do have a large storage box right here on the front, and that will go all the way in, and when you lift the bed up, you can access that storage right there also. So we'll take a look on the inside. So first thing you'll notice when you come in, there's a door right here, large pantry, closet. They give you a closet rod across the top. I've seen people add shelves in there just to make more storage, and then you also have another pantry right here in the kitchen, so they give you lots of storage on such a small trailer. Nice big bathroom, plenty of room, full-size tub. The skylight directly over the tub makes it nice and bright in the bathroom. For a small trailer, they do give you a walk-around queen bed, so you don't have to crawl over each other if it's a sideways bed. So it just makes it a little more convenient. You have all your storage across the top, and you do have two hanging wardrobes on the side of the bed. And the bed does pull up, so that'll give you access to that outside storage. So once again, there's just a tremendous amount of storage on this little trailer. This is your booth. It's in the down position right now just to show you that you can bring another person along, and you do have another sleeping area. More cabinets across the top there. Nice counter space. You can do all your cooking, all your prepping. Easy to get to the fridge. Full-size fridge right there on the bottom with the little ice chest on the top, so you can still bring some frozen goods. And so this is the Jayco J-Flight 195 RB, and once again, my name is Austin.Fennern with Guaranty RV. You can reach me at my cell phone, which is 541-972-2484, or reach me at the link below. Thanks, everyone.